There were people out here making $100 per hour on Amazon. And no, we are not talking about drop shipping. We're not talking about low content books. We're not even talking about Amazon deliveries. We're talking about simply reading books from our couch and getting paid $100 an hour. Now, if this is something that you think you want in on, then you need to stick around until the end of this video. What's up, money makers? And welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Diamond Chanel, and we talk about all things money. Specifically, I tell you how you can make a lot of money online. One of my most popular videos was covering how you can make money by simply reading Amazon books. So this is going to be a part 2. We're going to be going over who's eligible to apply, what the application looks like, the type of equipment you need to get started, how much you're going to get paid, the passive income that you could be making from this website, and so much more. Every question that you could probably think of, we're going to answer it in this video. Okay, let's get into the information. I know I mentioned that people were earning up to $100, but did I mention that people were earning up to $1,000? We're going to get into all of that. But let's just start off with a little bit of background about this website. So this website is called ACX, and it is an Amazon company powered by Audible. So yes, this is a legit website, okay? So what's going to happen is you're going to have to create a profile as a narrator or a studio, but I'm guessing that most of you are starting off pretty much at the bottom. So you're going to start as a narrator. We're going to go over how you can start joining and who's eligible. So first of all, if you're in the United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Ireland, then you are eligible. However, if you are outside of those regions, do not leave. I have an alternative for you. So you're going to want to watch throughout this entire video. So now what we're seeing is the catalog of products that are available for us to go ahead and read and earn money from. So this is after the whole sign up process. The sign up process is going to be regular. You're going to put in your name, your information, your email, what you would usually have to do to sign up for pretty much anything. So I just want to explain the compensation here. So there is royalty and then there is paid per hour. So what you can do is use the left-hand column of the website in order to filter out the things that apply to you. So for me, I'm a female with more of a New Yorkian, New Jerseyan accent because I'm an East Coast girl. So I would fill out those things to try to get the opportunities that will be open to me. So let's look at this for an example. This is paying $50 to $100 per finished hour. So we'll talk about that in just one second. So what we're looking at is 4.4 hours times $100, which is going to give us about $440 for this project. Or at the lowest end, 4.4 hours times $50 is going to give us $220. So we're looking at from $230 to about $450. And yes, I'm rounding up, but that's what you can look for. Now at the bottom of every page, you're going to see what they are expecting and who they're looking for. So this particular job is looking for a white male to cover a religion and spirituality genre. So let's talk about this paid per hour thing. There's something fun that we traditionally do here on this channel. So what I'm going to ask you to do is to go into the comment section and to leave me your most recent emoji so that I can connect with as many of you as possible. All right, now let's get back into the information. So what this means is you're going to get paid per finished hour of recording. So you do not get paid for your practice hours, for your editing or any of that. You get paid for per finished hours. So even if a project took you 10 hours to do the editing, the recording, and all that good stuff, but the end result is 5 hours, you're getting paid for 5 hours. I just want to make that clear. So let's go over the step-by-step process for creators. Now listen, there were some people upset with me in the previous videos who were professional narrators, and they were like, oh, well, it's not that easy. This website said that they accept very beginners and they also train you, okay? That's what ACX said. That's not what Diamond said. That's what they said. So they do train very beginners and not just professional narrators. You got to take that up with them. If you're upset with that, email them, not me. Okay, now let's go over the equipment that you're going to need. So I've actually compiled a list of different recommended equipment that is going to help you go ahead and start making professional quality audio. Where I got this from is their video resources, and they give you a bunch of different helpful articles to help you on your journey, especially if you are a beginner. So if you go to the article saying gearing up for audiobook, they're going to tell you all about microphones, and they'll educate you on frequencies and sound clarity, and they also give you very specific recommendations. For example, they said this one is one of the best quality ones, but it's like $300. So they also give you good budget-friendly options like the Blue Snowball that's only about $40 on Amazon, in Target, and Office Depot. So I made sure that I went through that list so that you don't have to, and I created an Amazon list for you. You'll be able to find all of the recommended equipment that was in that article, things that are expensive as well as budget friendly, but they're all going to be high quality and necessary for your success. But once you've gotten all your equipment ready and you want to make sure that you won't be denied, they have the ACX Audio Lab, which is basically like an AI program where you're going to go ahead and test out your equipment, your microphone, your sound quality, and the AI is going to tell you if your audio is good. So you're going to record yourself in your studio setting, upload your finished files, and it's going to give you the feedback on anything that you may need to fix or improve on. So these are going to be great factors that will set you apart from other creators on this platform and help you land more clients. So we're going to start auditioning. So no, you do not get paid for your auditions. Your auditions are used to be able to scout out for your new client. So if you're not exactly sure what type of production you need, what kind of studio you need, they do have a YouTube page, and they also have blog pages that gives you that information for exactly what resources you need. Now, here are some alternative ways to break into the industry without having to use Amazon. And that's through creating your own freelancing voiceover business. I'm going to show you some examples. Just listen.
Hey, my name is Steven, and I'm here to guide you through your first week of employment with...
By just listing his services on Fiverr, this man is making more than $64,000 by doing this. So if you're interested in doing voiceover work and freelancing, you need to definitely start jumping on Instagram, jumping on Fiverr, jumping on Upwork, and showcasing your services. Now, here's another example, so just listen.
It's conversational, like I've been doing this whole video. Or that urban swag. Yeah, I got that in my bag too. Clean and professional. Powerful. Sexy.
This man is charging $85 for his services. Now, a lot of people ask me in the comment section about their accents and how they were kind of insecure about it. Listen, people make fun of me in my videos all the time because I have a very Jersey accent. So they make fun of the way that I say things. Do not even worry about that. Just go ahead, get your money. If you are doing independent services, people might be looking for your particular voice and your particular accent. If you decide to do some independent freelancing work, I would highly suggest that you use the equipment that ACX recommended because they are a professional company. So this is going to give you even a better chance to set up a high quality and professional studio within your home so that you can get paid a whole lot more. If you made it to this point, I want to give you a huge thank you. And I also want to let you know that on this channel, we talk about all things online money. That means that I'm teaching you how you can make money from your home. I mean, I'm right here in front of my fridge. I'll teach you how to do that same thing. So you need to like this video, you need to subscribe, and you also need to check out these two videos here because they're going to show you some more money-making tips. Bye.